How to store tomatoes in the fridge, stay fresh longer. To store tomatoes in the fridge, it's best to keep them stem side down on a flat surface, like a plate or in a container lined with a paper towel. This helps prevent moisture loss and bruising, and can help them last longer. Before serving, let them come to room temperature for the best flavor. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Ripeness matters. If your tomatoes are not yet ripe, it's best to keep them at room temperature until they reach peak ripeness. Stem side down. Place the tomatoes stem side down on a flat surface, like a plate lined with a paper towel, or in a container lined with paper towels. This helps prevent moisture from escaping through the stem end and can reduce the chance of mold growth. Avoid overcrowding. Don't pack the tomatoes too tightly together, as this can lead to bruising and spoilage. Refrigerate when needed. If your tomatoes are fully ripe and you won't be using them right away, refrigerate them to slow down the ripening process and extend their shelf life. Bring to room temperature. Before serving, let the tomatoes sit at room temperature for a while to allow their flavor to develop fully.